Hello YouTube, welcome to Miko's Next Adventure. Today I am going to share my experience of the Amicacola Mountains in North Georgia. I decided to take a hike, and even though I'm out of shape, I actually made it to the top.
This is North
Enjoy the vlog.
Georgia. We about to go up this mountain and look at the waterfall. See you in a minute. Isn't this gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful. I'm about to make it up to the top. I'm halfway there. See you at the top. Okay, I'm almost at the top. Look, guys. Whew. So this is five miles up, I believe. So some of the way you step it, some of the way you hike it. But look at that. Just imagine if we came in the fall time, all of these leaves would be red, yellow, and burnt orange. I'm definitely coming back in the fall. Okay, I'm almost up to the top, guys. See you in a bit. Guess who made it up to the top? My challengers challenged me. And we made it, didn't we?
You made it twice.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. We stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. My kids are down here drinking the water. And now my crazy behind about to come and have me a little taste of it. Because they said it was good. No, okay. Let me get in this corner. Why we didn't bring our water bottles?
Exactly, not.
What? Let me get some of this water. Hold on. My baby getting her some free spring water. Okay? Ain't nobody playing no games out here in this street. Go home. She got her water. He trying to drink some
And
of
it's
it.
literally clear.
Oh
That's
my
the crazy
God,
thing.
that's beautiful.
It's literally clear.
Look at that best spring water. What's the name of this place again?
I don't know.
Amicacola. Amicacola. I think that's the name of this place.
Wow.
All right. We are on our way down.
What does that say? Pear country?
I made it to the top. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so we're going to time ourselves and see how long it takes us to get to the bottom. We have a long way down, but we already did the hard part, which was getting up. So going down, this is right up my alley, okay? Because gravity is on my side going down. You guys are almost there!
Almost there, down.
Yes! All right. You got to encourage the people because we surely needed encouragement when we came up these mountains here. And now we're going down. Isn't this gorgeous? We went all the way up to the top. I am like so proud of myself and all the people that is out here today that took this hike. It was great. And if you want to stay at the lake and have one of these little places, but you ain't gonna see no waterfall, but they got a place for you to rest your head too. Isn't that great? I think it's pronounced, I don't know. But it's really beautiful. Yeah. Look at this. We want some food. Hello. Look at the view. Of the bear skin. Come on over here. The tree.
I think so. It's that wide. I mean, they get excited.
And look at this view. This is the view right here.
Well, you can't.
So this is the lodge. Now it's nice. However, they don't have a balcony. But if we had a room at the bottom, we could walk out. But the room here, it's not good. But look at this view. Okay, look at this view right here. Allah's creation. And we hiked up here, okay? Look at Allah's creation.
They get mad at me when I get poop all over this road. So Shraka came to us with a red tail. Back in 2002, so she's been with us a long time. This is our most common hawk in Georgia, and it's our largest hawk in Georgia, the red tail hawk. Very common. She's blind in her left eye. She was mobbed by a murder of crows. If you want to come stand next to her, you can get a picture taken of her. She's pretty friendly.
She said she was pretty friendly. She don't want to be bothered today.
Okay, you can come stand next to her.
Oh, you going up there?
She's a good girl.
As always, thank you YouTube for watching. I really enjoyed our trip. I think you pronounce it Amicalola. I don't even really know. But we enjoyed us some natural spring water. We had a good workout. As I said, I'm out of shape, but my muscle memory remembers. So that's all that matters. Going up halfway, I was like, oh my gosh. Then when I got to the halfway mark, I got like a burst of energy. So you can take this route two ways. You can hike it all the way up, or you can walk half. It's like a little area where you hike and then you step. There is a total of, I think, 600 and something steps, 172 the first half, and then the other half was like 450. Can't really remember, but it took us 50 minutes to get up there. It's only about a maximum 3 miles. So I thought it was 5. It's not 5, it's 3 miles. It took us 50 minutes because we was out of shape. And coming down, it took us like 15 minutes to get down, and we were taking pictures and things. So I encourage you all to get up, get out, and get moving for the new year, because we need to keep our bodies, our mental state, our physical state in shape. Like it is, we definitely need to. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. In the next week, I will have another adventure for you. Stay tuned, YouTube. Peace out.